Jai Mata Di, Har Har Mahadev. Many a times when we have challenging situation, when we are stuck in a situation where we don't know the way out, be it because of emotions, be it because of unavoidable circumstances or the decisions we take. Many a times we feel trapped, we feel that we have not taken the right decision, and we also may feel lost, helpless. Here's what I want you to know. Interestingly, whatever challenges that you are, because everybody has certain set of challenges in their lives, and you'd be shocked to know that it's not you who's getting these challenges as a body, it's your soul has manifested these challenges. Even before you were born, your soul had to go through a consultation where it had to tell whoever's taking care of that the ledger, what good deeds you did and what bad deeds you did. Basis that you have to come back to learn your lessons, okay? And now in this lifetime, when you're born a human, whatever challenges that you see is not time based, it's your current based. Whatever deeds that you may have done in one of your past lives or many of your past lives, basis that you are put in a situation where you have to learn a lesson out of it. All of us have a lot of problems and challenges in life, day to day life, and we will continue to have them. We will continue to face such challenges until we do not learn the lesson out of it. For example, I'll take a very realistic, my own example. I'm somebody who's impatient. I have been impatient throughout my life. And I had to learn that. I had to learn how to be patient, how to trust the time, how to trust yourself. If something's not happening right now, it may be because it's not the best thing that could happen for you. And sometimes I am in a situation where I have to deal with a lot of people, and I may not like how they think, I may not like how they react. So if you feel that you have been put through difficult times, please know it's not God, it's not the universe. It's your soul that decided once, some years, many years or decades ago, that it will come back to learn one of these lessons out of so many lessons that you learn in life. So the whole crux is, do not blame time, do not blame people, do not blame your circumstances, because it's not the body that's actually troubled, it's the soul. Because none of us like to hear the truth, and the truth is, if you're dealing with difficult people, if you're dealing with difficult family, if you're dealing with difficult decisions, if you're dealing with not so great financial situation, if you're dealing with emotional distress or trauma, all of this was manifested or asked by your soul. So the moment you learn the lesson out of what is happening and why it's happening, if you learn this is what you have to learn, and you'd see the pattern would stop. Because whatever you're going through right now, this isn't the first time. You've been through this situation many times before. People may dislike you, people may not trust you, people may go behind your back, but this isn't the first time. Why? Because you haven't learned your lesson. The soul knows that it has to learn the lesson, but the soul doesn't want to agree, because the easiest thing I can do is blame. Okay, so look at the pattern that has occurred so many times and try and understand, what was the lesson, what did you have to learn? Thank you, Shem.